Today we're gonna do chili paste. In Thailand we call Nam Phrik Num. The main ingredients are green chili, garlic, shallot. Only 3 main ingredients we're gonna need today to make chili paste. And I'm gonna barbecue them by using this pan. Also, don't forget to use low heat. Start with the dark greens, and then followed by the light greens. I don't think I use them equally. I use the light greens a little bit more. All of them together, 150 grams. We're gonna grill it until all of them well done. This is almost ready. Yeah, almost ready. About, I think, 80%. Only 20% left. Yeah, it's gonna be all ready. Alright, I think some of them are ready. So just take it out. And now I have my green chili ready for chili paste. Next step, barbecue garlic and shallot. Do the same thing until they are well done. This is nearly. And now ready. This is perfect. Take it off from the pan. And now we got everything in need. Green chili, shallot, and garlic. Only 3 ingredients, 3 main ingredients. Now take off the garlic. Take off the shallots. Now all done. I got ingredients ready. But still, one more thing. Chili. We also need to take off all chili pepper. But this one you're gonna need water because it's gonna be very easy to peel the skin off. Yeah, this one, just peel it off carefully. Yes, like this, very easy. Do the same thing to all of them. And then we're gonna be ready for pounding, mixing everything together. Can't wait. Now I have everything ready. All of them, 3 ingredients, the most important ingredients. We got them ready. And the only seasoning we need is salt. Cut off the stem because I don't want my chili paste to taste a little bit bitter. Now put everything in a mortar. And we're gonna pound it by the pestle. Add some salt before pounding. And now start pounding. Pound everything together. You can use the spoon to help them mix together easily. stirring until everything mix up together the way you like. And then add more salt with the spoon, mixing everything together. Now let's taste it. After finish the chili paste, I'm gonna make side dishes. Start with boiled eggs. I have okra and I'm gonna blanch it. Now preparing for blanching. Okra is one of my favorite vegetables. It has so many benefits and you'll never get fat if you can eat it, for sure. Ready for blanching. Put them together in the pot. Wait for 2 or 3 minutes and then cool them immediately with cold water to stop all the cooking process. Not done yet. I still have baby corns, my favorite. I'm gonna do the same thing. Blanching baby corns is my favorite vegetable ever. So, to stop being overdone, you have to cool them down with cold water. Now reheat the rice in the microwave